Hello, I'm Dean, Master Tech at Horn Auto Center here in Show Low, Arizona. Today we're going to talk a little bit about differentials and the importance of maintaining them and changing the oil in them. A differential or gearbox basically transfers the power from the transmission to the rear wheels and lets the wheels turn at different speeds when cornering. It is one of the most important parts of a vehicle's powertrain, and because of that, it's also one of the most expensive and troublesome parts to replace on a car. For that reason, keeping your differential in top shape is essential. When mileage alone can be a legitimate reason to have the differential checked or have the fluid changed, there are also other reasons that may cause the change to be necessary long before mileage even comes into play. First, based on manufacturer's recommendations, cars may need a regular differential service anywhere from 20 to 50,000 miles. This will, of course, depend on the type of car and your style of driving, highway, city, off-road, etc. It is important to take some time to read the handbook of your car because it will tell you when different services, including oil changes, transmission fluid changes, or rear end servicing needs to be taken care of. If you own a truck and do a lot of heavy hauling, it can cause those fluid temperatures to rise to levels that cause them to burn faster than they would under normal wear and tear, thus making it impossible for the vehicle's fluid need to be serviced sooner than the mileage recommendations. The mechanic will watch for metal shavings in the old fluid and will be able to either refill immediately with new fluid if no shavings are seen, or remove the cover and get everything nice and clean before refilling with new fluid. If you want to keep your vehicle in good condition, we can help at Horn Auto Center in Show Low. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Dean at Horn Auto Center here in Show Low, Arizona. And once again, if you have any questions, concerns about your differentials and maintenance, give us a call or log on to hornautocenter.com.